What's the first thing that you do every morning when you wake up? Do you go to the bathroom, or do you reach for your phone and start checking your social media and looking at the news for the day, which is never happy? It's usually depressing, unless you're tapped into like the Good News Network, which by the way should exist if it doesn't already. And I know that there are good news stories that are shared, but that's beside the point. The first thing that you do every day, what is it? Are you grabbing your phone? Are you looking at electronics first thing in the morning? I'm gonna tell you right now, that's probably one of the worst things that you can do. Now, when you first wake up in the morning, you're literally in between this conscious state and your unconscious state, which means you have amazing access to your subconscious. Have you ever woken up and grabbed your phone and then read something that was kind of disturbing, and then it just sets you off for the rest of the day? Like, not like catastrophically, but just you're kind of going through life and going, wow, like just something isn't sitting right. Because you've just communicated a message to your subconscious first thing in the morning that wasn't positive. So what I'd like you to try, which I know works because I do it myself, as soon as you wake up in the morning, if you have to go pee first, fine, I totally get that. But then once you're done, staying in that nice, calm, almost still sleepy place, I want you to sit down, and if you have a meditation practice, amazing. Go right to your meditation practice. If not, find one, or just visualize. If you can sit down for 5 minutes, everyone has 5 minutes when they first wake up, because I guarantee you that if you're one of those people who does spend time on your cell phone first thing in the morning, you're spending way more than 5 minutes before you get out of bed anyway. So take 5 minutes to visualize the things that you want to see manifest in your life. I want you to start with just the overarching themes. So if it's, hey, I want to manifest that amazing relationship, or I want to manifest that beautiful home, or that amazing career, or that job, or a boatload of money, whatever it is, visualize that manifestation in general. Feel how that feels to have it, right? And then I want you to go direct. I want you to go more specific and look at that specific day, going, okay, it's Tuesday or it's Monday or whatever day of the week it is. These are the things going on. This is the way it's going to work out. I'm seeing amazing things happening for today all day long. And then release that into the day, and then go ahead and check your feed if that's what you need to do afterwards. But start your day every day with a meditation or a visualization. You will change your life after doing that. It is guaranteed. How does that work? Well, it's really very simple. We are only conscious of about, there's numbers on this, and I'm not remembering them right now, and I should probably look it up, but regardless, we're only conscious of a certain number of things that we are doing on a daily basis. I want to say it's somewhere around the vicinity of like 90% of what we do, think, and feel is coming from our subconscious, right? So however your subconscious is programmed, and whatever your subconscious is thinking and feeling and reacting to on a daily basis, that's kind of where you're going. You're driven by your subconscious. That's why people use hypnosis to quit smoking or to change habits. That's why habit is so powerful, because habit is taken over by your subconscious. Once you've been doing something for a long time, your subconscious goes, oh yeah, I got this. I got you. And it just does whatever it is that you've been programmed to do. You're literally programming yourself like a computer. So if you can just wake up and start with a good habit and start with a good program, your life will open up. It has no choice but to do that. Once again, if you've enjoyed the video, please go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe right here. You can follow me on Instagram at @TheAdamKruger. Make sure to turn notifications on, because I post videos every day, and if this is stuff that you like to hear and I'm helping you out, amazing. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.